Alright, so what's good, YouTube? Today is the big day, the day we've been prepping for. I don't know if you can see that. Saturday, October 19th, 5:53 a.m. But today is the day of October Truck Madness. I'm supposed to be meeting up with the crew at Buc-ee's between 6:30 and 7:20. Not gonna lie, I just woke up. I'm pretty tired. I need a cup of coffee. But I'm getting a late head start, but it's all good though. I'll still make it there on time. Just gotta get a couple things done. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera as the day goes on. You guys already know. And we'll just see where things go from there. I'm really stirring this with butter knife. That's what it is, though. All right. Feeling better. Holy slump. Alright, gotta go out here get the jack stand and my spares for Rick, because he will be swinging it today. Guys, it's gonna be late by the time y'all see this video, but please stop by the booth. Messy garage. Alright, so what's good, YouTube? I'm driving on my way to Buc-ee's right now. Some of the homies are already there. I'm a little bit behind, so I'm playing catch up right now. It's not too far of a drive from my house, but we should make it there before 7:20 whenever they roll out easily. I'll update you guys whenever we get to the spot. Alright guys, we just pulled up to Buc-ee's, and off the rip, there's hella trucks here. So you already know we're in the right place. We gotta find where the crew members are now. Alright, so what's good, guys? The time is now 8 a.m. We're in line to get into the show. I don't know if you guys can see that, but 8:03. We've been on the line for about 20 minutes now. They just let us go around. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because we have a booth or not. But hopefully we get in pretty fast. Line's moving okay, I guess. But I'll keep you guys updated. I forgot to update you guys. Made it to the show. It took us about an hour to get in. Maybe not that long, maybe like 45 minutes, but we've just been setting up. I haven't picked up the camera since. So I'm gonna take a little lop around, see what's up.
What we do here is go back.
hace mi hija, es un poco tarde, así me aceptaste y hoy quieres
Chefing. Chefing.
a Chihuahua al baile.
Daddy gas.
I appreciate the shout out. Texas_Cars Motors.
Oh shit. Don't die on me now.